So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This list will show us all the applications that start automatically once the computer turns on. In my case, Microsoft Edge starts automatically because I have it on. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to turn off all the applications that you do not want to start automatically once your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then click on enter. It's now going to start running this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both these scans, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.